Hi, in this video, I'm going to unbox and test the Xiaomi ultra-thin magnetic power bank. The packaging is simple but clean. Besides the device, it includes a user manual. I chose the silver color. The device has an aluminum body with a soft plastic ring around the magnet. On the bottom, there is a USB-C port and LED indicators. I tested it with both wired and wireless charging. Both work excellently. And it can even handle both at the same time. The device charges steadily at 20 watts, although it tends to heat up during use. I also tested its power output, and it performs as specified without any issues. This level of performance is even enough to charge a smaller laptop. Overall, I am very satisfied with the product.